Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on linear equations and inequalities. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answer. In this question, we are given that m minus n is greater than 3 and we are asked to find which of the conditions given in the 7 options holds true for all values of m and n satisfying this inequality. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct options are options 3 and 5, that is m is greater than n and m minus n is greater than 0. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, we are given that m minus n is greater than 3, which is in turn greater than 0, and hence we know for a fact that m minus n is always greater than 0, thus giving us option 5 as one correct answer. Now, nothing is known about m or n, and hence all we need to do is substitute some values for m and n and check the conditions to check which of them holds true for all values of m and n. So, let us assume some positive integer values for m and n. Let us say m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 1. In this case, we see that m is greater than n as well as all the other conditions holds true. Now, let us substitute some fractional values for m and n. Let us assume m equals to 5.5 and n is equal to 1.5. In this case, we see that m minus n, that is equal to 4, which is greater than 3. But options 1 and 2, that is m and n are integers, do not hold true. But the other conditions, that is options 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 holds true as well. Now, let us assume some negative values for m and n. Let us assume m as minus 9 and option n and n as minus 14. In this case, we see that m is greater than n, but m plus n is not greater than 0. Hence, we can neglect option 4 as well. And in this case, option 6 and 7 are met as well. Now, let us give m a positive value and n a negative value. Let us assume m as 5 and n as minus 3. In this case also, we see that m is greater than n, but m into n is greater than 0 and m divided by n is greater than 0 does not hold true. That is, we can neglect option 6 and 7 as well, thus giving us options 3 and 5 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.